Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Momento Mary. I know it's been long since I posted my last vlog, but the thing I didn't get time on board, so it's always the best feeling to join your vessel. Although I had been staying in my hotel for 5 days and now it's time to get back on ship and start working. So finally it was time that we were about to join back on our ship. So me and chief mate came down the hotel lobby, sat in the cafeteria and ate whatever possible because that was very limited options for veg. To be honest, I was super excited to join back shift after 3.5 months spent. So I decided to absorb some Houston vibes and shake my body a little around this hotel as it was the last day. And finally, I packed everything. I grabbed my belongings, whatever required, all documents sorted, and it's time to say goodbye to this room after 5 days. It was little boring to stay in a hotel for this long. So we got call from reception that our agent is there to pick us up. So we went down with all our luggage and agent arrived at time what she gave us. So we settled down in the car, kept our luggage, signed our documents. The agent guided us how we will be entering in the port and what are the rules of the port authority. Our agent was an old woman, but she was very talkative and cooperative. While traveling, she told us about what are the beautiful things in Houston, where we should have headed during our 5 days stay in hotel, and some historical aspects about Houston, how Houston was formed. To be honest, I was excited and filled with little bit more enthusiasm because I'll be working in a new company with new environment, new staff, new working policies. Everything will be different for me. But I was ready for everything because this is how we are. We are seafarers. We adapt to survive. We can work anywhere in any situation. We are built different. We are strong. I don't consider us superhumans, but we are not less than superhuman. We are what we are. We work, we earn, we spend, we do everything what is possible. As we approach in port premises, I can see my ship from long. It was my Tom Singapore, awaiting for us to join. I always love the superstructures, how they bear these rough seas, how they take care of us, and how they bring us safe back home. As soon as we were about to enter the port, our agent got some problem regarding her entry card in US as her card was not getting checked in port authorities. So we had to wait for a little while before joining the vessel. After completing all the formalities, we headed directly towards our vessel, where this will be the last point where I can show you my ship because it is tanker terminal and we cannot take out our phones because those are not intrinsically safe and we were loading naphtha, so it is highly explosive cargo. So I'll be keeping my phone back in my safe. So I'll be showing you next directly when I'll be boarding my vessel and taking over my duty from my fellow engineer. One thing I like to add whenever we are getting up on the gangway, it's not bad to say sir or respected words to the one who is taking out our luggage. First thing first, I grabbed some Indian food prepared by my Filipino chief cook because I was starving. As my reliever was still on board, I was allocated with the spare cabin. I just changed to my boiler suits and went down in engine room for taking over. After taking over, we sat for a dinner together, me and my fellow reliever. So he gave me some vital information regarding the ship and how I can handle the rest of things. Then I went straight down to my bed and took a good nap as this will be my last day of rest. So I took over all the responsibilities and duties from my fellow engineer. After the end of the day, I got my cabin. I made it so presentable and livable so I can spend 4 5 months here. And this was the view from my cabin. And this will be the end of my vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Ta-da!